And here it came earlier a police officer on a scooter, and then he told me that if I go on the other side, my phone can be stolen and my watch and my camera. And I was planning to go to that side because there is Playa Dorada over there in around 3 kilometers. So now I'm just thinking if I should go or not, because if they steal my GoPro, then you won't be able to see this episode. So I don't know, but I think I'm gonna try anyway, and let's see. But why I'm running along the beach is because I think I've entered a ghetto, and they said, a policeman said that if I go here on this side after Long Beach, Dominican Republic, I would get robbed. My phone, my camera, my watch. I have seen few people around. Oh my god, good. I'm safe because I see a beach. I see a beach. It's perfect. I was so scared that they're gonna rob me. I'm not sure why the policeman said that. But I'm now close to Playa Dorada. Now let's see if I can cross this path over here. It might be deep though. Hopefully not. Oh my god, is this a river? Please. Okay, I think it's almost, barely. Yes, I'm safe. Oh my god, that was so scary. Why would a policeman say that? To be fair, I was living in Stockholm in a ghetto area for 6 years, Tensta. I've been so safe there. Nothing happened. I think it's just prejudice. But I don't know. In a foreign country, and what will I do with my content also on my phone and GoPro? But I'm safe now. And let's see what is this beach called. And on the way back, I'll take the same route. I'm not really sure, but what is the alternative? Yes, this is Costa Dorada. So Costa Dorada, and I can see Playa Dorada also over there. So let's explore the beach and enjoy. Let's go.